6 plus 1 is just 7. And 3 times 7 equals 21. So 21 divided by this. 21 divided by 21 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, here we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one addition. We need to pay attention that here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so first we have to do this parenthesis, and after this parenthesis we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So after this parenthesis, we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay? So first this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 6 plus 1, which gives us 7. Okay? So 21 divided by 3, then times 7. Now we have one division and one multiplication, and we must do from left to right. Okay, so first 21 divided by 3, which gives us 7, and 7 times 7 gives us 49. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 49.